Hi everyone! For today's episode of Foodie Pinoy, we're going to make an easy Filipino dessert, cheesy Maja Blanca. We will need 1 cup cornstarch, dissolve in 1 cup of water, 1 can of 390 grams evaporated milk, 1 can of 392 grams condensed milk, 1 can of 15.25 ounce whole kernel corn drained, half cup of sugar, 400 ml of coconut milk, 1 can of Nestle cream, and cheese for toppings. Pour the coconut milk in a large pot and bring to a slight boil using low to medium heat. Add the condensed milk, evaporated milk, Nestle cream, and sugar. Add corn and mix well. Continue to heat the mixture for 15 minutes until it is about to boil while stirring frequently. Add the cornstarch mixture while stirring consistently to prevent any lumps. The mixture will become very thick and will work out your arms. Immediately pour the mixture into the mold and flatten the top. Top with grated cheese and let the Maja Blanca cool down in room temperature before putting in the fridge. Here's the finished product of our cheesy Maja Blanca dessert. This sweet Filipino dessert is so easy to make and uses easy to find ingredients. Try to make this and let us know if we satisfied your sweet tooth. Enjoy!
Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!